In this video, we'll cover how to use Text-to-Apply. Text-to-Apply is an exciting feature that makes financing your customers easier than ever. Our Text-to-Apply option sends your customers a custom link to their mobile phone, which they can use to easily access our application form. It lets you fill out as much information as possible beforehand, making the process even faster. To use Text-to-Apply, click the Text-to-Apply button on the merchant portal. Then, fill out the amount requested and the date of service on the application. If you're not sure of the date of service, use the current date. Next, fill out the applicant's personal information, including their first name, last name, state of residence, email address, and their cell phone number. Have them click the checkbox to provide authorization to LendingUSA to send them text messages, and then have them confirm with their electronic signature. Then hit Send Now. They'll receive a link that takes them directly to an application with several fields already completed. They'll be asked to verify their identity by uploading a photo of their ID. On an approval, they'll be asked to choose their monthly payment, then verify their bank account. Once their bank account is confirmed, they'll complete their loan documents through DocuSign. And after that, you're done. You can review the loan anytime in your merchant portal. Use Text-to-Apply to save time on applications and give your customers a convenient, secure way to apply. If you have any questions, just ask your relationship manager.